Row 3, the 51 Kyle Rush. Outside of Kyle Rush, 78, the Sportsman driver, Rich Schinderling. Inside row 3, the 96 of Mark Bielefeld. Outside of Mark Bielefeld, the wild child, Nick Schneider. As they're picking up speed, they come. Green flag, and we're racing!
And out front, why not? In that 5E, Eric Pearson.
And Turbo is not so turbo as he's going right to the back. Kicking the turbo.
Forgot to hit the turbo button. It's on the right. It's on the right. Pearson out front, Bauer second, Garrett third. Schinderling in fourth, and the Wild Child running up your top 5.
We talked to the 5 car earlier of Eric Pearson. He said he didn't change a thing after last week as fast as that car was, and he's having no trouble right now bringing them around.
Looking really good in that 93 Acura Integra.
Sean Bauer starting to look to the inside of Eric Pearson. Maybe he's going to make a run for it, but that 5E car is definitely very fast out here tonight.
Bauer third in the points as Rich Schinderling in that 78 car now tapping in the third spot. Garrett Braden with that 28. Those two will go door to door along the back stretch.
So we got a great battle for third place. Looks like Garrett Braden dropped off a little on the inside. Schinderling pulling a little bit away. And we have a breakout. The 5 car just broke out, so he will get the black flag. That sucks. That means once you go faster than, what's that time, Eric?
16.400. 16.400. So Eric Pearson hit a 16.351 for the breakout, which put him in the black flag. He's still running the track, though.
Well, you know, I think Sean Bauer maybe thought it was him. Yep, he thought it was him. The 25 car thought it was him. He dropped to the back. No, it's not him. We've got a new leader. Garrett Braden is very happy about the decision that just happened in the confusion, as Braden is your new leader, followed by Schinderling.
Yeah, out of Kirkland, Illinois, the 19-year-old Garrett Braden. He does have a heat win in his back pocket. Schinderling second. Schneider third. The 51 car of Kyle Rush in top 4 for now.
So breakout rule is they try to keep these cars even as they can for competition levels. If they go faster than that certain time that Eric had said, they will disqualify them as Garrett Braden comes around for his first win of the night.
So it's a 28 car of Garrett Braden in first, the 78 of Rich Schinderling in second, the 51 of Kyle Rush in third, the wild child of Nick Schneider in fourth, and rounding off your top 5, the number 96 car, the Beetle, Mark Bielefeld.
So, Eric, after tonight, we're going to have to go down in the pits and have a talk with, what did he call it? He said turbo. He said the car was fast. I didn't see turbo tonight, Jeff Parasat. You need to turn that turbo on, buddy. I got to see you back up in the front.
You might have been pulling your chain a little bit. That 28 car driven by the 19-year-old of Garrett Braden. He's out of Kirkland, Illinois. Kinda Crazy Customs, Braden Counseling Center. Benish & Sons, top sponsor in that 07 Chevy Cobalt. It is his second heat win. He's also got a top qualifier. Let's give it up for the 28 car of Garrett Braden.